Hi guys, it's Sunday. Good morning. And we are getting ready to go to church. And right now outside we are getting a little bit of flourish and but I think it stopped. So it's Sunday night and this one is for time. So I'm gonna put some splash of this eye shots. It's much right there. Splash of balsamic vinegar. Should taste good. My husband made me a coffee. I just got out from work. That's our room, guys. So messy. Okay guys, so my dad cooked buchi. I think this is buchi. It's made of sweet rice flour, which is the mochiko, and the brown one is sugar, melted sugar. It's that one. It's rice flour. It's sweet rice flour, and it has sugar on it, coated with sugar. Almost done.
Taro, you want some? Taro, sit. Sit. Taro, you want some? Good boy. Here, Taro. Can eat everything. And that's it.
So my husband cooked this yummy pasta. It's snowing, guys. Look at that. Why did you go outside and play again? No?
It's 15 degrees.
You don't want to play?
I don't want to.
No? Finally, the sun is up. Go, Tar. Walk. Go. My husband outside is cleaning the front porch.
Yeah! Right.
Sumukan siya kay... He's already upset.